With a considerably thinner shape, lighter weight, and more durability, the carbon fiber wallets are becoming very popular and an essential EDC gear that you should carry with you. Carbon fiber gives you an eye-catching look along with robust build quality and a feather-like weight. Well, we've rounded up 7 of the best minimalist carbon fiber wallets that you need to take a look at. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy our video on the top 7 best minimalist carbon fiber wallets.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Starting today's list with Fidelo Prestige 3K Carbon Fiber is an affordable and minimal-looking carbon fiber wallet with great features and a minimal design. The wallet measures around 3 inches long and is thinner than half an inch. Plus, having a genuine 3K carbon fiber as its build material, the wallet is amazingly lightweight and insanely durable at the same time. Not only that, you'll be provided with a fantastic resistance against shocks, drops, and scratches for a better long-time experience. With adequate storage management, this carbon fiber wallet can hold 12 of your cards, and the stylish band will keep your folded cash effortlessly. Plus, the wallet can block up to 13.56 MHz frequencies with an RFID block feature to keep your data safe and secure. That said, all these features, performance, and compact shape make the Fidelo Prestige 3K Carbon Fiber a great choice to keep inside your pocket. Enjoy a lighter weight, minimal look, and a combination of leather and carbon fiber with a Knox card credit card holder. The wallet boasts an optimal size. It's about 3.5 inches long and is made out of high-quality 3K carbon, which provides you with a sturdy build and weighs less than an ounce. Plus, to keep it minimal, you'll be getting a strap with leather that'll keep the back plates attached. When it comes to its carrying capacity, you'll be able to carry about 20 cards in this minimalist wallet. The band you see can be used for keeping all of your folded cash together. Additionally, the wallet also features RFID and damage protection that'll prevent identity thieves from unethically getting your data. All in all, with such a minimal but powerful build, unique RFID signal blocking system, and amazing convenience, the Knox Card credit card holder becomes a great choice to be a part of your EDC gear. Next on our list, we have the DANGO M1 RSpec wallet, an exotic-looking wallet with a combination of leather and carbon fiber inspired by the fruits of the automotive industry. A sturdy aerospace-grade 6061 aluminum frame, a carbon fiber backplate, and a top-grain leather was handcrafted to make this stunning minimalist wallet. Plus, with the highest quality prismatic powder coating, you'll be getting a perfect chrome finish on the wallet. The wallet measures about 4.25 inches long and is thinner than half an inch, which makes it ideal for every type of bank card and is capable of holding 10 of your credit cards. Not only that, you can even keep your dollar bills pretty with the silicone wallet band it comes with. Thus, a durable and sturdy build, stunning outlook, and ease of usage make this RSpec version of DANGO M Wallet a great choice to keep your credit cards and cash. Keep your identity and credit card safe with the Fantom R10, a great reflection of Canadian craftsmanship right in a compact, versatile, and fully customizable minimalist wallet. According to your preference, this fully customizable card-sized wallet can be built on your own. The backplate and finishing of the wallet feature many options to choose from, but we're assuming you're here for the carbon fiber version, which is why we'll discuss the carbon fiber one. Plus, with a ceramic-coated aluminum frame, you'll be offered top-notch sturdiness and durability. Additionally, the aluminum frame also features RFID blocking that protects from identity thieves. With this impressively slim chassis and lightweight build, this minimalist wallet is capable of holding up to 10 of your credit cards. Plus, the wallet features an instant access feature that includes a quick flip lever which fans out all your cards with just a flick of your thumb. Additionally, the titanium money clip lets you securely keep your bills. As a fully customizable wallet, the R10 lets you add many options, including a coin holder, a cash holder, a key holder, a silicone band, a tracker, an ID holder, and even an AirTag holder. All said, with a solid and durable build, compactness, and the ability to fully customize, it makes the Fantom R10 an amazing choice as a minimalist carbon fiber wallet. Coming up next, we have the Ridge Carbon Fiber 3K, a tough and durable minimalist wallet that can hold an adequate amount of your credit cards. With a minimal design and 3K carbon fiber built with a matte finishing, the wallet is so sturdy that Ridge promises lifetime longevity for the wallet. Being only about 3.4 inches long and 0.2 inches thick, the Ridge Carbon Fiber 3K weighs only 1.6 ounces, making itself an ultralight choice for you. And to conceal your identity, the wallet boasts the RFID blocking feature. The wallet also comes with a huge capacity that can hold up to 12 of your credit cards, while the money strap or clip will securely hold your folded cash. To conclude, the Ridge Carbon Fiber 3K offers you premium quality materials, lifelong longevity, and a considerable card holding capacity, making itself a great option as a minimalist carbon fiber wallet. Enjoy a unique and minimalistic design, ease of access, and excellent convenience with the FrenchieCo Carbon Speed Wallet Mini. This unique wallet features an elegant combination of top-quality, eco-friendly Italian leather and the world's best CX6 carbon fiber, making it an exquisite piece to carry. The wallets are around 3.4 inches long and only 0.2 inches thick, making it fancy and more practical as a minimalist carbon fiber wallet. When it comes to this wallet's holding capacity, you can easily hold up to 12 of your credit cards and 20 bills in the wallet. With the RFID protection feature, you won't have to be worried about identity thieves stealing your personal information. In conclusion, the FrenchieCo Carbon Speed Wallet Mini offers a class-leading build, impressive holding capacity, and ease of access, which makes it a perfect option to add to your wallet collection. Finally, with a perfect design, ease of access, sturdy build, and fantastic carrying convenience, the R-Spec version of the DANGO D01 rounds off our list today. With a slim horizontal design, the wallet frame is made out of aerospace-grade 6061 aluminum and is coated with prismatic powder for a shiny chrome outlook. And when you combine that with top grain leather and a carbon fiber backplate, it makes the wallet an elegant handcrafted delicacy. Furthermore, with a massive capacity of holding up to 12 cards, the DANGO D01 R-Spec features a silicone band to keep your folded cash and RFID protection to prevent your identity from being stolen. Additionally, you'll be getting a built-in bottle opener that's compatible with an MT02 multi-tool for you to enjoy a versatile experience. Overall, the DANGO D01 R-Spec comes with fantastic convenience, a sturdy build, and an eye-catching design, making itself the best choice as a minimalist carbon fiber wallet. So that was our list for the top 7 best minimalist carbon fiber wallets. Thanks for watching our video. Go ahead and hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you found it helpful. And feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Also, to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, mailoutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.